Welcome to Macmo Academy. In this video, we will learn about financial arithmetics. In financial arithmetics, these are very realistic and very real life problems related to real life problems in which we will find out profit, loss, profit percentage, loss percentage, discount, markup, and so on. So, one by one in this video, we will first find out profit. So, I hope many of you must know that the price at which a particular thing is bought is called cost price. So there are few terminologies. So uh, cost price. We will write it as CP. Selling price can be written as SP, and discount. Discount is discount. Then markup, these are the few terms and terminologies. Discount means whatever, and there is one more thing, marked price. Marked price, MP. So we will use these terminologies in this particular problem in this video. So CP stands for cost price. A pen was bought for rupees 80. So the thing at which something was purchased is called cost price. So cost price is rupees 80 and sold for, so sold means selling price. So the selling price of the pan is rupees 100. So the pan is sold at rupees 100. Find the profit. Actually, we must know that what is happening in this particular problem. If SP is greater than CP, it means that there is a profit. And if SP is lesser than CP, so it means that there is a loss. So these two things we must know. If it is not written in the question, they can write find the profit or loss, whatever is happening in the question. So we must know that there is profit. We have to find out profit because he is gaining something, because selling price is more than cost price. So the formula would become profit is equal to SP minus CP. The formula is very simple. If you will learn this formula, then it would be very helpful for you. 100 minus 80. So the profit is of rupees 20 rupees. So these are very simple and very realistic question. So this is how we can find out profit. Now we will find out. We will see another question. The shirt was bought for rupees. Bought means cost price, for rupees 1500 and sold for SP rupees 1250. Now if I'm purchasing a shirt at rupees 1500 and selling at a lesser amount, means 1250, over here the selling price is lesser than cost price. It means that loss is happening in this particular case. So we need to find out loss. So when we need to find out loss, we will write the formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So this is the second formula. So loss is equal to CP is 1500 minus SP. SP is 1250. So the final answer would be rupees 250. So the person is suffering a loss of 250 rupee at a particular shirt. Now let's see the third question. A toy was bought for rupees 450 and sold for rupees 500. Did seller make profit or loss, and how much? Now they are not saying that whether the seller is making profit or loss. We have to analyze by ourselves. A toy was bought for rupees 450 means this is cost price. Cost price is of rupees 450 and sold for, and sold means selling price. Selling price, so we must need to write down the data first. Selling price is rupees this. Did seller make profit or loss? So selling price is more than cost price. It means that he is getting profit. Profit of how much rupees? So profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is rupees 500 minus cost price. So it means that rupees 50. He is earning a profit of rupees 50. So this is how much simple these problems are. Now look at the another question. A bicycle has a marked price of, now the third terminology, marked price has appeared over here. Marked price. A bicycle has a marked price. For example, there is a bicycle and the marked price of the bicycle is of rupees 15,000. You can see in the mart and in the superstore they cross the marked price and they write the current price like this. They cross the marked price. So marked price is of rupees MP 15,000 and sold for rupees. Sold means selling price. This was the marked price, but at this price the bicycle was not sold. So selling price is different from marked price. So 13,800 is the selling price. So now we need to find out discount. Now how to find out discount? So it means that the store is giving a discount of few thousands. So discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So marked price is of rupees 15,000 minus 13,800. So the discount of rupees 1,200. So this is how we can find out discount, marked price, cost price and selling price of a particular item. Now viewers, look at this question. In this the other quantities are given and we need to find out the cost price of a pen. So now cost price is given rupees 80. The profit is of rupees. Now profit is given is of rupees 25. Find the selling price. Now SP is unknown. Now we will apply the same formula of the profit. Do not need to find out, do not need to learn or don't need to confused in that how to find out for SP, whether we will subtract profit from CP or CP from profit. So as you know that profit is equal to SP minus CP. So keep this thing clear in your mind first of all. When profit will happen? When selling price is more than cost price. Now we need to find out selling price. So selling price can be find out. We are keeping selling price over here. The cost price is extra. We need to isolate selling price. So cost price is subtracting over here. So if it will go over there and it will add with profit. So the formula would become profit plus CP. So profit is of rupees 25 and the cost price is of rupees 80. So what will be the selling price? We will add them and we will get the answer of selling price. So selling price is of rupees 105. So if the selling price is of 105 and if the cost price is of rupees 80, you can see the profit would be of 25 rupee. So do not need to get worried if you will understand and learn this formula only this formula. Now let's look at over here. Our table is sold for. Sold for means this is the selling price rupees 7,800 after making a profit. Now profit is also given of rupees 600. Find the cost price. Find the cost price. Now cost price is unknown. Now again we need to find out, we will write down the same formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Now we need to find out cost price and cost price is negative over here. So we are bringing cost price over there. So it would become positive cost price. SP will remain over here and profit will go over there and will subtract from SP. So this would become the new formula. You need to just learn this formula. Now we are changing the places to find out cost price. So SP is of 7,800. minus profit is of rupees 600. So cost price would be 7,200. So now look at over here, if the cost price is of 7,200 and selling price is of rupees 7,800, so the profit which he will make would be of 600 rupee. So this is how simple is. Now let's look at over these problems. The cost price of a pen. Now cost price means CP is given rupees 120. The loss is of rupees 15. Loss is also given rupees 15. And the selling price, find the selling price. Now we need to find out selling price. Now we need to remember that formula of loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. If you will understand and learn this formula, there is a very simple concept. If the cost price is more and selling price is less, so you will suffer a loss. So now what we need to find out, we need to find out SP. It should be positive, it will go over there and we will bring loss over here. So in this formula we will reshuffle the formula in this way. So cost price minus selling price, minus loss. Loss is of rupees 15, so selling price is of rupees 105. So this is how we can find out the unknown quantity in a problem. The watch is sold for rupees. Sold for means selling price is of rupees 2450. After making a loss, now he is again making a loss of rupees 550. Find the cost price. Now we need to find out cost price again. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. We will write down the same formula again. Now we need to find out cost price. So now we need to isolate cost price. So SP will go over there. So loss plus SP is equal to CP. Now loss, how much loss he is making? 550 plus SP 2450 is equal to CP. So CP would be equal to 3000. So the cost price is of rupees 3000. I hope you have understood all these formulas of cost price, loss and selling price, and of discount and mark price. So these type we will continue in the next video the further few questions, and we will see different types of formula, how to find out loss percentage, profit percentage and discount percentage. So thank you for watching and liking our content. Please do not forget to forward, subscribe and like our YouTube channel with your friends and family. Thank you.